Hey everybody, Stuart McAdam here, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to improve the quality of your Facebook leads. A frequent question many people have been asking is how do I make sure that I'm not getting tire kickers as leads? How do I get the highest quality leads possible? And the answer to that is making sure that your form screens them out so that only the best remain by the time the form has been completed. So, to show you an example right here, we have got an example of one of the forms that I'm going to be using soon for one of my ads, and which is telling them first about taking the action, and then we get into asking the questions and making sure that they're questions that are relevant to not only the person who needs help, but also you as the business owner and how you can help the person that's filling in the form. So the first question I have here is, what do you need help with specifically? And I've given them four options. Nice and easy, not too complicated. We then go down to the next questions afterwards. And these questions are very important because it allows you to identify whether or not they are someone that is worth your time and energy and effort. How soon are you looking to get started with paid advertising? I prefer to have a short answer so that the person has to go in there and identify how soon they wanted to get started with paid advertising. If it's anything beyond 3 months, it's not worth my time. If it's straight away, it's worth contacting them as soon as they've filled in the form. We then go down to the next section here. What is your main objective with Facebook ads, leads, or sales, or both? Because ultimately, that should be the only goals you should have if you are running Facebook ads. And for this one here, they again fill in the form. I either want more leads, more sales, or I want to do both. And if they can't take the time to look at this, say they need help with one thing in particular, fill in these two short questions. And then if we go to the next section and they then provide their automatically filled in information, which is their name, email, and phone number here, then they're probably not a good fit for your business. And you're generally going to find you'll attract more tire kickers. So, the most important thing you can do is to make sure you have screener questions, anywhere from 3 to 5 questions that can identify top quality candidates. You'll find that anybody who is not prepared to answer those questions is generally not worth having as a customer or a lead. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing if you haven't already to the channel. And don't forget to leave a like down below and share this with anybody that will find this useful. And I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.